Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the sound is not working in Dying Light the Beast on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix the issue so you can get back to enjoying the game with full audio. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel and click on Hardware and Sound. Select Sound. Here, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just right-click it and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device again and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level. Solution 3. In the same Properties window, open the Advanced tab. Set your audio quality to either 48 kHz or 44 kHz. Press Apply and then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. From the drop-down menu, select Off. Press Apply and then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. If the issue continues, go back and select Browse my computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver and click Next. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. And that's it. By following these solutions, you should be able to fix the sound issues in Dying Light the Beast on PC. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.